Have you ever been at a conference or watching a really good YouTube video or a lecture, wanted to write something down, make a note, but the moment was gone? Yeah, I've been there too. But what if I tell you that the solution is pretty simple and you already paid for it? If you're using iPhone, Apple Notes became my really favorite tool. It helps me track the ideas I used to lose, remember important things from the lectures, and even save time on typing. Today, I'll show you how exactly I'm using Apple Notes to capture the ideas, whether they're spoken or written, and how I convert them into good content with the help of AI. I open my notes, I start a new note, and here I'm on my Mackbook. At the top, I have record the audio, and it will show you the transcript. So we start the video. And we can move the video to background.
What is AI? Have you ever asked Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song?
Quick disclaimer, if you're using speech faster than normal, it can lose some words and sentences. So that's on your own decision. You can stop, you can resume. So while it's stopped, it's not recording anymore. But if I stop stopping, the audio recording starts again. You also can choose the word or sentence, and it will start the audio from that stop. So let's see what we can do here. Double click on it. And here what happens. We see the transcript. And we have a few options. Let's see. We can rename. I already renamed to test. We can add transcript to note. Let's do it. Yes, and here is my last phrase. I showed you that I can do again. I'm deleting it. Inside the transcript, you can also find AI. It will show you everything. So you can find the search, you can tap on it. If you want to use Apple Intelligence with your notes, you have to become a part of the beta testing Apple Intelligence and Siri. You go to settings, you go to Apple Intelligence, make sure you have beta, you turn everything on, you choose your settings, and re-download your notes. I'm back, I restarted my laptop, and we see this small button with Apple Intelligence appeared. Let's check what it allows us. So it says that it can summarize it. Not bad summary for the 5-minute video. Let's check how it's making key points. So we can copy or replace. Let's make a copy and paste here. I agree with them. Let's replace. Oh no, it replaced the whole thing. And now we will compare it with iPhone UI. So I have the same audio recording. Let's start with text transcoding. We got the same transcoding we got before, and let's check the AI tools. I'm using my favorite summary and key points as before. Started with summary, and let's replace it. Order is still present. Let's play with key points. Going to get transcoding from the scratch, from the beginning, and ask the key points to this transcoding, because if I asked key points for summary, we will get less. It will analyze only summary text. Let's replace it. Like I have audio example and key points. That's better than me typing the notes. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, or share in comments your other favorite tricks from Apple Notes. I will give it a try. Bye!